Are you looking for the best price Minka-Aire ceiling fans? Check out our top 5 picks. These swings are sure best price Minka-Aire ceiling fans, and they're all available at great prices. So let's get started.
Product number 1, F844-WHF, Roto 52-inch. Experience F844-WHF, Roto 52-inch ceiling fan 3 blades in flat white finish. Design. Sleek and contemporary in design, the Minka-Aire Roto is designed with a flat white finish and 3 flat white blades. Included, WC105-WH, 4-speed wall control with 2-wire installation, and 6-inch downrod.
Product number 2, F845-WH Lightwave 44-inch. Experience F845-WH Lightwave 44-inch ceiling fan with LED light. Design. The smaller version of the popular Lightwave ceiling fan, the 44-inch Lightwave is still contemporary and efficient in design. Included, one RCS213, 3-speed handheld remote with full-range light dimming, reverse functionality switch on motor, 16W LED light kit, and 1 6-inch downrod.
Products number 3, F727-CL, Rudolph 52-inch. Experience F727-CL Rudolph 52-inch ceiling fan in coal finish. Design. Contemporary and architectural in design, the Minka-Aire Rudolph ceiling fan is designed in a coal finish and 3 coal blades. Bulb. No bulb included. Custom light kit K9727L available, sold separately.
Products number 4, F89652-CL, Extreme H2O 52 Experience. F89652-CL, Extreme H2O 52-inch ceiling fan. Sleek and powerful, the Minka-Aire Extreme H2O 52-inch outdoor ceiling fan boasts a contemporary design with a quiet and efficient DC motor, perfect for large indoor or outdoor spaces. Customizable illumination. Enhance your lighting with the separate purchase of the custom 20-watt LED light kit K9886L-ORB, adding a touch of elegance and functionality.
Product number 5, F619-LWHF Stout 54-inch. Experience F619-LWHF Stout 54-inch ceiling fan with LED light. Design. The Stout LED ceiling fan by Minka-Aire Fans offers clean lines ideal for any modern environment. With 5 blades stretching 54 inches end to end, this fan keeps things cool while coursing air throughout your home. Equipped with an LED luminaire to brighten up the space and a handheld remote control to manage fan speed, direction, and lighting. Bulb. The Stout ceiling fan includes an integrated 16-watt dimmable LED light module and an etched lens.